barge right through your doorway, in spite of what you told me. So you ain't gotta live lonely. You ain't gotta live lonely. Why do you hide your face? What made you find a way to shut yourself away for life?
Okay, Gladiators, there we go. There's our flashings to get us started. The next part of the job will be putting the sheets on the wall. So I will catch you next time. Well, hang on, don't go anywhere. That subscribe button's right there at the end on the right. You'll see that. Hit that button, subscribe. Right now we're at 499 subscribers, very excited, almost hit 500, and that's thanks to you. Leave some comments, leave some questions, do what you need to do to get involved and engage with us. Happy to talk to you, and here's the boys now. What'd you get for lunch, fellas?
Got a salad and some Asian food.
Ooh, a couple of mothers. What'd you get, Ed?
Got some spicy pork and some...
Spicy pork.
Yeah, you go both.
Very nice. Well, what's that one? What do you got there?
You might be same.
Oh, spicy $14. Oh, wow. Hey, at least you're fed. It keeps you energized. Where's this guy? You got your strawberry milk, brother?
Yeah.
Nice.
Two of them go.
Hey, I just went and took these people around here and showed them how good that flashing work looks. How good is it?
Full of sick.
It's good, eh?
And my homie did it.
Which one?
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Yeah, when I blow up, I'ma soar high like Peter Pan. In real life, be living out my dreams. If I'm waking up, it's in a foreign land. Whole wrist covered up in ice. Dealership, never ask the price. I hit the mall and ball with my dogs. Yeah, I swipe it once without thinking twice. Cause this what I was made for. Man, I know this what I came for. On a big stage, couple thousand people, and they do whatever I say so. Have chicks that color the rainbow. Yeah, chains on me like Django. Be a long way from my tank low. Cause my Tesla charged for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind. And I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy. Close your eyes to the madness. In the morning it's all gonna vanish. Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you.
Since I blew up, everybody telling me that I'm the man. Same people gave me the finger, they reaching out for me to give a hand. In a different city and my pills came, cause this tour don't happen, I feel pain. And the girl with me say she down for life, but she don't even know what's my real name. Just try to get what she came for. And ain't nothing I got safe though, cause when the money go wild, everybody get a piece. But it's looking like I ain't on the payroll. Got a big house made out of Play-Doh, and a plastic crown for my halo. But still a long way from my tank low, cause my Tesla charged for them bank rolls. And I'm grinding, money on my mind, and I'm headed to the top. I won't stop until I find it. Write my name in diamonds, but all these lights are blinding. I wonder, is it worth it? Feel like I'm losing my mind. Yeah, remind me.
Don't be afraid of the dark. Be careful with stars. Not every light is gonna guide you, baby. Don't let them rain on your spark. Keep it close to your heart. All of the pressure's gonna drive you crazy.